Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Airport Residency at Airport Gate number 3 near Birati Jasur Road crossing, and this is a 3 BHK actual apartment of 1050 square feet sellable area. You can see this is the grand living cum dining area, and this is the balcony space. And from this balcony you can partially see the swimming pool outside, and these are the internal gardens. And just beside the balcony you can see this is the open kitchenette, excellently decorated and designed for maximum light and air supply, with black granite countertop and excellent tile selection also. And now you can see this is the lobby space, and just in front of you this is the common toilet area. So see the common toilet. So this is the common toilet, excellently designed for maximum light, and this is a rectangle shaped toilet with separate space for bath and the basin area. And now come inside the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, and this bedroom is having windows on both the sides and a big size wardrobe space also. This is the wardrobe space, and from the window you can see the view of outside, and excellent light in this bedroom. And see beside that, this is the swimming pool of the complex. It's under construction currently, so it will be ready very soon. And you can see the buildings. This is the clubhouse of our project. It's a multi-story clubhouse, and this bedroom is having all the electrical fittings. So now come outside. So this is the second bedroom. This is the master bedroom also. So come inside. This is the attached toilet space. Beautiful attached toilet. And this side, this is the bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 12 by 11. It's almost a square size bedroom with having a big size wardrobe space also. So you can see this side, the view of this side you can see, and excellent air and light in this bedroom also. And this is our under construction clubhouse, and this is the swimming pool view from the bedroom with all electrical fittings and AC points provision. And just beside that, this is the third bedroom. So come inside. This is the third bedroom with having another balcony. Along with this bedroom you will be having another wardrobe space like this one, and windows on both the sides for excellent cross ventilation. The size of this bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 11 feet. It's almost another square size bedroom. So it's a beautiful flat of 1050 square feet sellable area, and this is a complex of G+4 9 buildings, and we are going to hand over this complex totally within 4 to 5 months of time. And this is currently ready to move in condition. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are left with only 2 units of this size. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. So please hurry up and call us, and thanks a lot for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks a lot.